Now we can sing.
Here we go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jobo. Happy birthday to you.
Blow them out, Joe. Blow them out. Good. Now blow that one. Good. Now blow that one. Now cut
Joe, lick the bottom of it.
Here's Jobo's piece.
What?
Liam. Fern's gonna get you a fork.
Honestly, I would. Mom, can I eat that? Okay. Cool.
Yours. Okay.
I gotta get a spoon. Does it like a dog?
Liam.
I thought it was huge thing.
So can I get that race car out?
I want to cut open.
Let's see what Papa and Sis sent you here.
Let's see what this is. Oh wow. That's funny. They think you gases?
Yeah.
Yeah, gases.
Oh,
Oh, that's from China. That's the little Beijing bear.
And look,
And here's another Beijing critter.
Oh,
From Beijing. It says, these were some Olympic souvenirs we forgot to give the kids when you were here. I guess nobody cares about the Olympics now. And look, here's a hat, Jobo. There's your Olympics hat.
no.
Ew.
I like that.
You're free.
No.
Look, Papa says that you card. It says, you're free. Oh, that's right. Birdie is shaped like the number 3. That's for Papa and Sis. Where's your hat? Here's another hat. One's for him, one's for Liam, I guess. Look, Jobo.
What?
Look what? Look cute. Wow, pretty coat.
Yes, I like that
I
coat.
know. I bet it's going to be big. And look, it's got Bisley Grizzly on the front.
Mom, that is like a race car.
Bubba like a race car too.
Mom,
And look. Sissy. The birds flew away when you Lots of big clothes. Hey.